me away. Hello, my lovies. It's me again. It's your girl, Glory. And we have another event. Look at this. Jesus Christ. Look at my baby. It's giving hearts, but I need to show it's a vlog. Oh. Hi. This is
behind
the looks, the hair, everything. I don't know why he's not going to Bell by. Look at our sister, baby. Hey, ignore our bad hair day. We're usually cute, but anyways. Don't I look sweet? Don't I look good? Going for a fake wedding. You guys know this face.
Yes, I'm not new.
Anytime we're going for any event, count on her. She'll be there. Goodness me. So cute. We look so cute. My goodness. This is what Belle can do. What Belle cannot do
Does not, cannot.
My brethren, in case you see some sweat drops, be aware that we had some marathon pictures and another marathon to catch up with the vehicle. Thanks.
Anyways, see you there.
I'm looking nice, I be best in spec. I defend myself. I'm looking like a bag of gold. I'm looking like a bag of diamond. I'm looking sweet, I'm looking nice.
For some reason, they didn't let us drive in, so we had to take a catwalk of fame.
Wardrobe malfunction. Shoe cut. Now we have to be the new one doing koi. You not be freely walking. We are actually early because they're still setting up. I know people are there, but I think there's a lot more setups to do. But it's fine because we have enough time and you can find a seat that is in front so that I can get everything for you guys, you know. Look at our wardrobe malfunction.
I guess you should go spoil.
Right now I'm the one you can never get to.
So yes, it's a fake wedding and we paid 5,000 naira each for a regular ticket.
Not them the rush, so we sing goodbye choice. We sing goodbye choice, we know the bad choice. Not them the rush, so and the glitter like gold, shine like a diamond in the sky. Yeah. I've got the best man, no. I'm looking like a bag of gold. I'm looking like a bag of diamond. I'm looking sweet, I'm looking nice.
My goodness. Who did your makeup, please?
So my makeup is from Belle by Baby. It's Instagram, check her out.
My dress is from Jessica's.
Shoutout. Yeah. Our shoe spoiled on the way. What about this gele? My goodness.
Still from Belle by Baby.
So she does makeup and gele too?
Yeah.
Wow. Look at that. The back, everything is given. Makeup by Belle by Baby. Gele. Who else? I don't know what you're waiting for. Hello, you're in Abuja. I don't know what to do my makeup.
Auntie Befu, hold it there. Quick outfit check. How did I forget to mention that this dress was made by me? Yes, me. That was months back when I say I had my mojo in fashion designing. I need to go back to sewing because what? Meanwhile,
Book Belle today.
God damn it. Skips.
now the main cocoa of the matter. Did I mention that this was an outdoor fake wedding? So there was no shield whatsoever. We were literally dripping in sweat. We sat there and we were bored, to mention the least. Sun, the weight almost took our sanity.
So, update. We are decently early. Yes, we are right on time. In fact, they are not even keeping to time because they told us that it's 1 p.m. and this is 3 p.m. and nothing has started. They never even finished decoration. And we don't have choice. We're under the sun. We are even sweating on top of this luxurious makeup.
I had to mute this because they started playing music at the time, and we thought, oh, they started, but no, it was like past 4, and at this point everyone started complaining because the ladies beside us who had also come early, I'm not even kidding, we sat there for close to 3 hours.
I really keep into time. Best in time.
Nevertheless, we tried to entertain ourselves and just vibe to the music. So we noticed that there were lots of vendors around, and literally everyone is coming to pitch their product and their food, meaning that there was no free food. I mean, we did not expect that, so we had to just, we listened, took the free sips, and decided if we wanted to buy. We actually got one.
I'm looking like a bag of gold. I'm looking like a bag of diamonds.
This is not a commercial, but this sip wasn't bad at all. Now, it is safe to say that this drink definitely aroused the hunger in the system, because we had to leave this place and go and find where these vendors are coming from. So we found that there was a huge park meant for food. And of course, small chops to the rescue, because we're small chops girlies.
Bad choice, not them the rush, and the glitter like gold, shine like a diamond in the sky. I've got the best. Think if you think otherwise, nobody can stop me, no. I'm looking like a bag of gold. I'm looking like a bag of diamonds. I'm looking sweet, I'm looking nice. I'm the best.
Yes, you are correct. The cloud was already changing. It was no longer about the sun. It was now about rain. Because at this point, we just wanted to start this thing. I know the time we were going back home, but they had already finished the decoration at this point. Look at it, looked really beautiful. Yeah, it was. And this was like around 5 p.m. The MC came in and started announcing the tribes to dance in.
This is a town hall.
And they called out for the Igbos, and of course we represent 100%.
I'm looking like a bag of gold. I'm looking like a bag of diamonds.
All right, I'll give you the hint to the song. Olewa, olewa, eh. Olewa, olewa, eh. Olewa, olewa. You remember the energy drink that we had a taste of? Well, they had a game and they asked for people to comment and like their post on Instagram, and guess what? Your girls won. Hence, we won free drinks.
Best to follow and comment.
Also, there was this game about going to pick something from someone in the crowd and coming back to see it. Here comes the fake bride and groom, and hold on for the drama.
I'm pregnant for you now. Hey, you didn't whine me. No, you didn't whine me. What's going on here? Oh, when you sweet you, no. Guy, focus. Come on.
Guess what? MC Meaty in the building.
It's so Chinese, so real. You can take to the Bible, you will never. My God! All the beautiful ladies in the house, make some noise. Now you are.
It's not available.
Now look at that, some ladies.
Bells ambassador.
You're looking sweet.
You look sweet, baby.
Give that lady a kiss on her cheeks. Say, you're looking sweet.
Wow, you too sweet. Get out.
Hold her, say,
Let's watch this video so that I have some 1 or 2 things to tell you.
That's why I go on the event. That's why I go on the thing. Open the floodgates of heaven. Let it rain. The rain will pick up that day. Now we want to change the song now. Close the
I won't sleep and wake anytime I like. I don't wanna.
The next boy they call a thief.
My brethren, that was how the thief came in. Very black, zebra, giraffe, very demure, but look closely. Yes, that was rain. Everyone cuckoo mindfully left the arena. Yes, the rain came very heavy with no mercy. Everyone was just looking for shelter, and they were limited shelter. I tell you, we had to just go behind this food place. And while I was trying to document our predicament, it was like, these vendors think you're making fun of the moment. Of course not. I'm just trying to update my people.
Even in the trials and tribulations, Bell by Favor will still glow. It will still glow. Look at that now. We ran for shelter. We still glow in Bell. Book Bell today.
Bell by Favor.
Period.
And while we thought the show was over, guess what? No!
These people are back. Great stuff.
Ace, bring the beat back.
Yes, you bring the beat back. I'm looking like a bag of gold. I'm looking like a bag of diamonds.
Guys, we are still at the party, and guess what? The rain came. The storm came, and we ran for shelter, and we're back. We're back. Everybody's back. No leave, no transfer. Our 5K is going. That 5K, we must get to the root of it. Yes, so. For an event that's supposed to start by 1 p.m. and then they decide to start. I mean, I know there's Nigerian time, but then this is more than Nigerian time. Excuse me. At 5, that was when they started having people dance in. So what do you expect? It's rainy season, bruh. It's gonna pour. So it started pouring at that. What's them? In like 45 minutes ago. Let's see how long we have to stay before we head home. But we want to make sure we at least see the worth of our money. Back like we never left. So we are going home because we cannot keep up. There's a lot of people here. I don't know what's going on, but I think they want to just use it for like a night, maybe like night something party, but we're not in for that. We came for one day. But it looks like this rain is not going to favor us, so we're gonna go. So guys, this is probably the end of this vlog, even though it didn't go as planned, half as planned. We tried, yeah, we had a little fun, yeah, but I hope you've enjoyed so far. So try and give me a like. Oh, look at this light. Try and give me a like, subscribe if you haven't done so already, leave a comment. What do you think about this party? Do you think that you would attend a fake wedding? Well, I think I would. Again, assistant vlogger, what do you have to say? Guys, Like, share, comment, and subscribe.
So let's take you on our trip home. I don't think we'll take you on.
No, we know the
We can take you because it's going to be a rough ride. See ya.
Bye.